This specific video is gonna be my last Temu wig review because I think I've reviewed them enough. By now, we already have a pretty good idea of the quality of Temu wigs. I just saw some different wigs that I've not reviewed in my previous videos, and I was like, let me just do this last Temu wig review because I noticed that you guys love, you know, to see those type of videos. So to start off with, I have this black human hair. I had already taken it out of the pack, but I've never worn it. So just a quick reminder for you all to watch to the end of this video to participate in the free giveaway. Just make sure that you go down in the description box and you watch this video till the end. It is a human hair straight wig, straight out of the pack. And look, you don't really have to buy straight. I think this one was very affordable. I think I got this 26 inch for $45. If I'm wrong, I'm going to put the right price up on the screen. If you got the other wigs, the other curly wigs, you really don't need to buy this because you can just straighten it. But sometimes you might just want to really get a wig already straightened. Let's see the parting space. It has good side part parting space. It has good middle part parting space. How far can you go? So you can go all the way back here for the middle space, which is good, right? You probably just need to apply some good lightweight oil to the wig to, you know, let it shine, and you probably flat iron it some more. But it's pretty good for $45, 13x4 lace wig. I think it's a really good deal, and it is very soft, that's for sure. I just hope that by the time I upload this video, it's not discontinued, because I've noticed that most of the wigs that I get, they get discontinued. I don't know why that's the case. I'm gonna put the link of this wig. Here's an update review on the straight wig that I just showed you all. I've worn this wig and I washed it and conditioned it, and I would say the hair is pretty good for to be used the second time. It is still very soft. Let me brush it for you guys to see. I didn't brush it after I washed it, so probably that's why you're seeing hair just all over the place. But here is how it looks after it's been washed, giving the straight texture. Just I think around the lace hair, like the hair on the lace, it's a little bit curly, like it's a little bit wavy, but I would say the hair is still very soft. It is ready to be used again, so I would say this is really a good purchase. For the next wig, I have this afro no lace wig. I really love this type of wigs because it's like you just wear and go, but sometimes it's difficult to really find a very good hair without it giving you grandma vibe. So I saw this, I saw the reviews, and I was like, okay, let me try this one out. I think the price was pretty not bad. I think I got this one, I think this is a 14 inch if I'm not mistaken, and I got it for probably $35. I'm gonna put the price, if I'm wrong, I'm gonna put the right price up on the screen. But so far it is soft. It's definitely not giving the scanty vibe, but at the same time it's not giving very thick vibe. But you know, most of these curly wigs, you have to really pull it out to make it fluffy. The next hair I'm about to show you all came late. So this hair that I have is different from the rest of the hair that I showed you guys. This is the hair that I got. This is a knotless braid, and it has some curls, and how they call this, there's a name that they call for this type of braid that has those extra curls out of it. Do you see it? So this is the inside. So the inside is actually giving full lace. You guys see this? But the lace is different from the regular lace wig that I've reviewed. We're gonna try out to see, because you see this front lace here is different from the lace in here. So it's different, and it came with baby hairs. This is a lot of baby hairs, actually. This is a lot of baby hairs, but it is long. This is nice. They really braided it. The braid is really neat. It's clean. You see the braid is clean, and this extra hair attached to it is soft. I know this is not a human hair wig. I'm sure this is synthetic, but it is nice. I like the curls. I'm really feeling good about this. Let me try it. So it came with this elastic band to give you a strong hold. It comes with combs in here, and let me try this on. Ooh. Oh, this thing is heavy. Okay. You see, do you guys see the parting space? It's triangle. I got the triangle parting space. I forgot I got the triangle parting space. This is nice. What do you guys think? If I want this to fit, I'm gonna have to cut up probably an extra braiding here, because you see my ear, It's like it's on top of it, so I'm gonna have to cut it up. It's really giving scalp. Now, well, did you guys see this? This is the back. I like it. What do you guys think? Especially this parting space here. I really like this. I love it. Quick update on the braided hair that I just showed you guys. I am currently wearing the hair. I would say the lace is good. I've, laid it down. It's pretty good. But the downside of this hair is it tangles. So all this curly part here, yeah, it tangles. It's pretty. Oops. It's pretty, don't get me wrong. It looks pretty, but it won't last. I think I'm gonna cut off all the curly part of it because it really tangles. Even after putting some mousse, you think that maybe it will be a little bit better to manage, but it's not. So you should put that at the back of your mind that if you're getting this hair, it tangles. I would suggest you getting a wig that has no curl, like this curl, unless it's a human hair. But I don't think they sell braided wigs with this curly part as human hair. I don't think so. If you know, please comment down below, but I don't think so. So the next hair I have for you guys is a different style. Let me show you guys, okay? If you've watched this point, you might as well just subscribe. And if you've enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. So this one is a cornrow braid. When I was getting it, I was like, this kind of cornrow braid, I hope it looks very natural. I don't want it to be looking too fakish. So this one has lace, but you see it's different lace too. So this first part, I think it's like a 13x6 lace here. And I think this is where it has the cornrows, as you can see. And then the back here, the rest of it is like the other lace, which is okay because it still gives scalp. And you can tell that the braid, the hair they use for the braid is different. It's different from the other one. I want you guys to see the different texture. Up it shows. Yeah, this one is a little bit brownish. This one is darker, and this one is a little bit shinier. This one is a little bit rough, but still fine anyways. Okay. This is interesting. So I love the cornrows. The cornrows is neat. Do you see this? This is very neat. Whosoever braided this cornrow did a very good job. This cornrow is neat. So I think the cap is a little bit big. See this ear sides. The problem with this type of wig is if it's big, you cannot just trim it, right? Because it is a whole braid. If you trim it, you're gonna ruin the braid. So this type of wig that is like big on my head, especially here. So you guys see here, it is way too big. I don't know how I'm gonna trim this. How am I gonna do that? Because if I'm trimming this, I'm ruining the braid. And it, of course, it's gonna really ruin the braid, and it won't be possible. If you have a big head, I think this will really be nice on you. You see, there's really space right here. You see this? Like, this is really big head friendly, and it's way big for my head. So if I'm doing this type of wig, I'm just gonna have to let it cover my ears. So I'm gonna like trim here and let it cover my ears like this. And I just, hold it like this to make it look natural. But yeah, I think I might return this just because for me I don't want to ruin this lace. You know what? Instead of returning this lace, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna put all the instructions for the giveaway, and the winner will get this wig. There are gonna be different options of wigs that I'm gonna use as my giveaway wig, and the winner will probably have this. So you guys should comment below if you want a giveaway so that I don't return this and I just use it as one of the giveaway gifts. If not, I can return this, honestly, because I don't see myself wearing this wig. Not because it's not cute, but because it doesn't fit me. It's way too big for my head. I can work with the other one that I just showed you guys, but I cannot work with this one. Make sure you look down in the description box to see the rules and what you have to do to be part of the giveaway, and the winner will get the wigs that I have reviewed on my channel. Okay, thank you guys so much again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces.